Hug AI is one of the most buzzed about AI software releases right now, and if you're wondering what all the hype is about, stick around as we dive into the 7 crucial things you need to know about this new tool. Whether you're a seasoned digital marketer or just starting out with AI, there's a lot to explore in this software, and by the end of this video, you'll know if Hug AI is the game changer it claims to be. First off, you can try Hug AI for free right now using the first link in the description, so there's no reason not to check it out yourself. Hug AI is designed to simplify your workflow with its powerful suite of tools, but there are some important details you need to understand. The first thing you should know is that Hug AI makes complex tasks easier. Whether it's content generation, customer support automation, or analyzing data, it's built to save time. If you're managing multiple projects or juggling deadlines, Hug AI can be a massive productivity boost. One of the most impressive aspects is its natural language processing capabilities. It doesn't just generate text, it understands context, tone, and intent. This makes it ideal for creating high-quality conversational content that's perfect for marketing materials, blogs, social media posts, or even customer service interactions. And for anyone wondering about integration, Hug AI does it seamlessly. It connects with several popular platforms like Google Workspace, Slack, and Zapier, making it easy to incorporate into your existing workflow without a steep learning curve. You don't need to be a tech expert to get started with it, which is a huge win for businesses and freelancers alike. Another major selling point is its data-driven insights. Hug AI doesn't just spit out generic responses, it pulls in insights from the web and your own data to craft tailored solutions. For marketers, this means more precise targeting and more effective campaigns. If you're running ads or working on an SEO strategy, Hug AI can provide you with actionable recommendations that can seriously improve your ROI. As a digital marketer myself, I can tell you the accuracy and speed of Hug AI are key differentiators. It delivers high-quality results faster than many of its competitors, and that can make a real difference when you're working under tight deadlines or need to pivot quickly. What really stands out though is Hug AI's personalization. It learns from your preferences over time and starts suggesting ideas, headlines, and even templates that align with your brand voice. The more you use it, the more it adapts to you, making it an invaluable long-term tool. But don't just take my word for it. The reviews from early users have been overwhelmingly positive. They love the fact that it's user-friendly, but also powerful enough to handle more advanced tasks. It's not just a toy, it's a tool that actually moves the needle. Before we wrap up, I should mention that Hug AI offers a free trial, and you can access this by clicking the link in the description below. If you've been on the lookout for a new AI tool to make your life easier, I definitely recommend giving it a shot. Now, after testing thousands of AI tools myself, I've found a few that stand out, and I've listed my top picks in the description. If you're looking for software that can help streamline your business or personal projects, check them out. I've included all the links you need below, including your free access to Hug AI. So, make sure to check those out, and I'll see you in the next video.